Windows 12 is on the horizon, and if you're wondering whether your computer is ready to handle it, here are the key factors you should check to ensure compatibility. 1. System requirements, predicted. While official system requirements for Windows 12 haven't been fully released, they are likely to be similar to or slightly more demanding than those for Windows 11. Here's what you can expect. Processor, 64-bit, 1 GHz or faster, with 2 or more cores. RAM, minimum of 4 GB, 8 GB or more recommended. Storage, at least 64 GB free space. Graphics, DirectX 12 compatible graphics, WDDM2.x. TPM, Trusted Platform Module TPM 2.0 for enhanced security. UEFI, Secure Boot capable, ensure your system supports UEFI with Secure Boot. Display, 9-inch or larger with at least 720p resolution. 2. Processor compatibility. Windows 12 will likely support newer Intel and AMD processors, likely from 8th Gen Intel Core or newer, and AMD Ryzen 2000 series or newer. Check your processor generation to ensure it meets these standards. 3. TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot. Just like Windows 11, Windows the 12th may require TPM 2.0 for security. To check if your computer has TPM, press Win+R, type TPM.Master of Science, and hit Enter. Look for TPM is ready for use. If it's not enabled, check your BIOS settings to activate it. 4. Free storage space. Make sure you have at least 64 GB of free storage, although more is recommended to accommodate updates and applications. 5. Graphics and display. Ensure your GPU supports DirectX 12, and your display has at least a 720p resolution. For the best experience, a higher resolution monitor is preferred. 6. Updates and drivers. Keep your device drivers up to date, especially for graphics, chipset, and security, as these are critical for compatibility with newer versions of Windows. 7. Back up your data. Before upgrading to Windows 12, make sure to back up all your important files. Even though upgrades usually retain files, it's always best to be safe. How to check your system compatibility. Go to Settings, System About, and review your system specifications. Download a PC health check tool or a third-party compatibility checker if one is available when Windows 12 is released. By reviewing these key areas, you'll be better prepared to upgrade to Windows 12 when it becomes available. Stay tuned for more updates from Microsoft regarding official system requirements.